Mukwala contract on Kumasi Asante Kotoko sign, it is stated in the contract, say the contract is subjected to a 1-year renewal option after say contract, but Kumasi Asante Kotoko huni say no, there be say this kesi all pay around close to $4,000 amount. Na sika we are ye sika kituo na sign only for a 1 year. It doesn't make quite any sense. Enti the omo ye ne say Mukwala sika open de utufo say tutu the bank ruler of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the life patron of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, akase sika bi a boys no omo here bia ye de be mo so far say omo deserve na omo merit ya, but mo be sika wait for 1 year na 1 year na near chiri na asa so amoakono. It doesn't make quite sense. Enti sa ebeba so a agese Mukwala and including Richmond Lamptey nyina omo renew one ebeye adwuma o renew not only 1 year but at least monye ni 2 years. Send ebeye buy option bia ba Kotoko is going to benefit so they are denying. Enti for now sana akoye so far as the Mukwala and Richmond Lamptey conversation is concerned. And I'm also told that Kotoko for akacho mo say with this renewal undergoing 2 years renewal no mpanyifo ayo madwen say ombeto car ama omo, especially Mukwala for instance na oyusu car bia I think say the past administration no coin or maje friends, but the news is that sa contract no obe extended for 2 years mpanyifo are going to get him a brand new car and who say that screen so no I think the choice is going to come from Mukwala na Nkasenti. Or my choice na penny for I'm making sure say they will get him that particular car. Garage say Kumasi doors or hojo Abrepo Junction near the cars need the Kumuha. And penny for I'm wondering say sa obe extending there for the 2 years. They are going to get him a brand new car. And this is also relatable to Richmond Lamptey. I also the contract.